In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Cash App card on Amazon. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. If you are eligible for a Cash App card, you were approved, and if you have enough balance, you will be able to use it to make purchases online or in store. In this video, I'm gonna highlight how to properly use your Cash App card to purchase items on Amazon.com. Keep in mind that you can also reproduce the steps that I'm gonna show you in this video through the latest version of their mobile app, and as long as your app is up to date, you have a card, you will be good to go. In here, sign into the account where you are going to be making this payment using Cash App, and what I recommend is that you go over to your account page. So hover over your name and click on account. In here, select your payments. If you are doing this process on mobile, you should be able to find wallet or your payments listed somewhere along the screen. When you access this window, you can go ahead and add a new payment method. This is where you can use your Cash App card to make any orders on Amazon. So click on add a credit or debit card and input the credentials about the Cash App card. Like I said, as long as the card is valid, properly active through the latest version of Cash App, and you include the credentials of the card here, you will be able to have it linked to your Amazon account and properly finish any orders that you place through Amazon. So include the details, the name on the card, expiration date, and security code. All of these can be accessed through the latest version of Cash App when you switch over to the card tab or by looking at your physical card. Once the card is properly attributed to your Amazon account, you can go ahead and browse through all of the items. Add everything that you want to purchase to your cart, and once you are ready to buy, just proceed to checkout, and the Cash App card should appear under your credit and debit cards as soon as you are done including the shipping address. If you don't see it here, or if you skipped the first step, you will also have the option to add it directly through this window. This is all you have to do. Make sure you have enough balance on Cash App, that the card is valid and properly active. This is important. You can manage your card through the app, and you will be good to go for any purchases that you make online or in store, regardless of the place, including Amazon. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Cash App card on Amazon. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.